So now that we understand the differences between business voice and enterprise voice, and also the features of business voice, let's take a look at the types of business voice. Basically, we have two types of business voice. That is business voice that comes with a calling plan, and business voice that is without calling plan, also known as direct routing. Now, let me explain what we mean by this. Phone system is currently available in almost every country on earth, but then it is not same in the case of calling plans. Calling plans are actually limited to some specific regions. For instance, the US, UK, Canada. But then bear in mind that Microsoft keeps expanding these products, and very soon it may get to your country. So whether you need to deploy business voice that comes with a calling plan or business voice that is without calling plan depends on your region. For instance, in my country, Ghana, calling plans are currently not available. So if I want to deploy business voice, the only option I have is to go for business voice without calling plan, which is direct route. In some regions as well, even though you may have calling plan, you may need some extra capabilities, hence you prefer deploying business voice that is without calling plan. With business voice that comes with calling plan, you will need to buy the voice from Microsoft, and because you are buying the voice from Microsoft, you get some number of minutes and a phone number. So with this type of business voice, you are buying a calling plan, and calling plan basically allows you to have some number of minutes. In the US, you get 3,000 minutes, in Canada you get 3,000 minutes, and in the UK you get 1,200 minutes. You can get a phone number directly from Microsoft, or you port one to Microsoft. So if you have a phone number with your previous service provider before moving to Microsoft, you are allowed to still use that number. Let's say you have a number ending 449, which is the main contact number to your business, and all your customers, partners, stakeholders know that particular number before you want to move to Microsoft, so your business can still run smoothly. The transferring of the number from your current service provider to Microsoft is what is known as porting, right? So you can either get a phone number directly from Microsoft using the Teams Admin Center, or raising a ticket with the Teams number service desk, or you just port one to Microsoft. With the business voice that comes with a calling plan, you can set it up and manage it on your own, because it's a very simple process, which we are going to implement in subsequent video. But then when it comes to the business voice that is without calling plan, also known as direct routing, you just have to buy a phone system from Microsoft, and then you can get a telephone number from a third-party service provider. With this type of business voice, you are allowed to bring your existing telephone infrastructure to Microsoft by way of session border controller. And session border controller here are special purpose devices that are deployed on networks, and they control signaling and media streams. With business voice that is without calling plan or direct routing, it is always advised you buy the setup through a reseller or Microsoft partner. Note, this is just an advice, and the only reason you are advised to do so is because the configuration and the management is very complex. With business voice that comes with a calling plan, you have 3 sets of licensing options. I normally call it licensing combinations, just to make it simple to understand, right? See you in the next episode.